Welcome to Patrick Volvo Cars. Today we're going to do our next model clinic on the 2022 XC40 Recharge Twin. The 2022 XC40 Recharge Twin comes with 402 horsepower, 486 foot-pounds of torque, and an estimated EPA range of 223 miles. The 2022 XC40 Recharge Twin is based on the XC40 Sport R design model with a contrasting black roof with different body shades. Some standard features on every XC40 are the LED headlights with a Thor's hammer signature look, rain sensing wipers, 19-inch alloy wheels, power operated tailgate, high definition rear view camera, full length panoramic room roof. The car comes with a 12.3-inch driver display and a 9-inch center touch capacitive display to control all your car's major functions. In addition, you have voice commands which give you instant access to Google Assistant and basic functions of a car like radio, entertainment, heating, cooling. The 2022 XC40 Recharge Twin comes in two feature packages. The Plus package includes keyless entry, 2-zone climate, 360 surround view camera, HomeLink garage door transmitter, power folding rear head restraints, and a 12-volt outlet in the cargo area. The Ultimate feature package adds the Pilot Assist driver assist system with adaptive cruise control and the Harman Kardon premium audio system. It also includes the Climate package, which is optional on the Plus. The Climate package includes the heated rear seats and the heat pump for more efficient heating and cooling your car and a longer range using less battery. All 2022 XC40 Recharges come standard with the Volvo Care offer, which includes 250 kilowatt hours of DC fast charging on the Electrify America network, and after that charging credits used up, 1-year membership for discounted rates on their network. You also get complimentary factory scheduled maintenance for 4 years or 50,000 miles, and wear coverage for the first 4 years or 40,000 miles. Thank you for joining me in our 2022 XC40 Recharge Twin Clinic. Please like and subscribe and visit us at our Facebook page. You can see us at 1600 East Higgins Road in Schaumburg.
Taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick